Hello everyone and welcome to this DOM-Labs tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make a screen shake inside of Unity. You can see here that I have a sample scene with a little explosion particle effect. But what is missing is a screen shake effect. We can add that by going to the main camera and adding a component and a new script named screen shake. Then we can open up this, and I'm going to open it up in Microsoft Visual Studio, but you can open it up in whatever coding editor you choose. I'm going to delete everything except for the update method, and then add a public float and name this duration. This is going to be the duration of our screen shake. Inside of update, I'm just going to check for a key press, but you should check for whatever causes your screen shake. For example, something exploding. So I'm going to check for input.getKeyDown keycode.t, but you should check for whatever causes your explosion. And then I'm going to start a coroutine, and I'm going to name it shake. And then I'm going to have an error because we haven't created this method yet. But I'm going to create a private void or a private IE numerator and name it shake. And then inside of this, I'm going to create a float and name this current time, and I'm going to set it equal to 0. And then I'm going to create a vector3, and I'm going to name it original position and set it equal to transform.position. Then I'm going to do a while current time is less than the duration. Then I am going to set the transform.position is equal to a random.insideUnit circle. And this just creates a random position inside a circle with a radius of 1. Then I'm going to do current time plus equal time.delta time. And then I'm going to do a yield return null. And this just pauses this till the next frame, so it waits till the next frame to run this again. Then at the end, I'm going to set the transform.position is equal to the original position. What is happening right now is that the camera is just going all over the place when it is shaking, but I want it to go over a certain curve. So up at the top, I'm going to create a public animation curve and name this curve. What this does, it creates a curve that we can access to be scaled to a value on our curve. So I'm going to multiply this value by curve.evaluate current time divided by duration. So this is going to give us a value between 0 and 1, and this is going to evaluate our curve to multiply it and dampen this by our curve. So now I'm going to go back inside of the Unity editor, and then once the Unity editor compiles, I'm going to go to the main camera, set the duration to 1, and then the curve, I'm going to start out with a simple line going up, and then I'm going to add a key. I'm going to start this in the middle, then go up, add another key, go down, add another key, go back up but not as high this time, add another key, go down but not as high this time. So you can see how this is going to get smaller and smaller over time until it finally dampens out. I'm going to add one more key until it looks something like that. So it gets bigger and then it slowly dampens itself out over the duration of 1 second. Then I'm going to click play, and then once Unity enters play mode, I'm going to click T, and you can see that my camera is shaking along with this explosion effect. And with that, this Unity tutorial is finished. If you like this tutorial, please give our channel a like and a subscribe because it really helps out a ton. Thank you!